Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and this is kind of a sad, bittersweet day. And as you saw in the title, today is finally the day that it's time to sell the S8. Had such a blast in this car, and it's really just kind of a bittersweet thing to finally get rid of it. My original plan was to buy it for the channel, and it did very well for the channel, and I'm super appreciative of that. My plan was to only keep it for a year, and I love the car so much. Now it's been over 2 years since I've owned the S8. So I'm gonna share some of my favorite memories of the S8 for you guys here in these next few clips. Without any further ado, let's go take a look at the new car.
So we just passed 4th of July Pass after going through Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and we're going to go across the Panhandle, have some lunch at Wallace, Idaho, and then go up Lookout Pass and drop into Montana. Sweet.
That is loud. That's a lot louder than I expected it to be.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Good to collab with Ryan here at Auto Detour, man. Like I said, make sure everybody go subscribe to his channel. Watch the videos personally. I'm subscribed to his channel personally. I'm subscribed to a lot of people who don't got as many subscribers as me.
Hey, Mom, on the count of 3, I want you to wait. We gotta put the windows down. Okay, on the count of 3, I want you to floor it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So this is actually the first time on the channel the S8 has actually been seen without the Auto Detour stickers on it. And it looks really weird. They've been on there for over 2 years. Now it just looks like a normal Audi again. I can't believe it. We've had so much fun. I've met so many people through this car, both online and in person. Now it's time for it to go to a new home. The guy that's buying it is local to Minnesota, and he is local to the Twin Cities, so if you're from here, there's a good chance you'll still see it rolling around town. Thank you guys for all the support on this, for this car. I know you guys fell in love with it just like I did. So let's hop in it. We'll go for one last drive in it, and then of course we'll watch it drive away. Oh, dinging. I'm not gonna miss you. Well guys, this is it. Last drive in the S8. Can't believe it. Can't believe it's been over 2 years already. Seems like we just started the channel and the S8's just always been here. I don't know. I just don't really know what to say about it. It's kind of a bittersweet feeling because, one, it's going to clear up space in the garage and allow me to grow the channel, which I'm excited about, but it's like we're losing one of the members of the Auto Detour family. So, yeah. I'm just kind of at a loss for words right now. Alright guys, there it goes. The deal is done. The S8 is no longer mine. Yes. Alright guys, well that's it. The S8 is gone. It's pretty sad. What a great car. It was just fun meeting all the S8 enthusiasts and getting to know you guys, and I hope you guys stick around for more car videos. We're just getting done with the truck build. We're going to be doing lots of fun stuff with that, but I just wanted to make this video as a bit of a closure for you S8 fans. It still hasn't quite set in that it just drove down the road yet. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you live in the Twin Cities, watch for that white S8 driving around, because it's the only one. I appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you next time.